Welcome to the Line Creek Bus Barn. Nestled in the heart of downtown Fayetteville, this brewery isn't just your typical beer destination. Built on the grounds of a former bus depot, the Line Creek Bus Barn's architecture resembles its past, with a design that beckons the old depot that once stood in its place. With over 20 beers on tap at any given time, new seasonal beer releases, 2 restaurants, and an ice cream shop to go along with it, there's bound to be a treat for everyone. But it doesn't just stop there. The surrounding grounds of the bus barn sport a massive field, dog park, playground, and even a splash park for the kids. With 3 reservable event spaces that can house anywhere from 60 to 175 guests, you can be certain that the bus barn can handle any of your private gathering needs. Year-round events, including trivia, first responders night, and seasonal parties, ensure there's always something new to experience. So come on down and visit us at the Line Creek Bus Barn, where there's always a little something for everyone.